Hey everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the following function question on your hyperbola and your straight line. Please don't forget to click on the like and the subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. Given the function f of x equals minus 4 over x minus 2 plus 3 and g of x equals minus x plus 2, we have to A, write down the equations of the asymptotes of f, B, what is the domain of x, and C, find the values of x for which f of x is equal to g of x. Starting with the first part of the question, if we have the standard equation of the hyperbola, that's f of x equals a over x minus p plus q, then the horizontal asymptotes is equal to the negative value of p, so that we have horizontal asymptote equals negative p, and the vertical asymptotes will be your q. So going back the equation given, we have f of x equals minus 4 over x minus 2 plus 3. So what that means is, for our horizontal asymptote, we have x equals minus p. If you look at the question, minus p in this case is a negative 2. So we have that as minus 2, which is equal to a positive 2. And likewise, a vertical asymptote is the value of q, which in this case is 3. The second part of the question says, what is the domain of x? If you look at the diagram, we have our hyperbola, that's the graph, going in the positive and negative values of x, which is our real numbers. However, note that x must not be equal to our asymptote, and that is x equal to 2. So if we're going to write that, we have the b part, which says for the domain of x, x is an element of real numbers. However, x must not be equal to asymptote, which is 2. The last part of the question says find the value of x for which f of x equal to g of x. So equating our f of x and g of x, we have minus 4 over x minus 2 plus 3 equals g of x, that's minus x plus 2. Going to start by moving our 3 to the right hand side, equals minus x plus 2 minus 3, and that will be minus x minus 1. The next step is to cross multiply. So I have that as the whole number over 1. So if I cross multiply, that will be minus 4 times 1 and x minus 2 times minus x minus 1. So therefore, I have x minus 2 multiplying minus x minus 1 equal to negative 4. And if I simplify further, I have that as minus x squared minus x, I'm foiling, plus 2x plus 2 equals to negative 4. To write it as a quadratic equation, I'm going to move all my terms to one side. So I have minus x squared, that's plus x plus 2. I'm going to move my negative 4 to the left hand side, so that becomes plus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, I have minus x squared plus x plus 6 equals to 0. Now I need to make the coefficient of x squared positive 1. So multiplying each term by negative 1, I have x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0. If I factorize, I have x minus 3 and x plus 2. So therefore, x minus 3 equals to 0 x will be equal to 3, or x plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, x equal to negative 2. So therefore, the values of x for which f of x equals to g of x will be x is 3 and x is negative 2. Thanks for watching. Bye.